Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's morning markets. My name is Chris Leyland and I am Director of Investment Strategy here at True Potential. So let's start with equity markets, and Asia overnight has produced good positive returns, and that's with optimism coming from US President Donald Trump signing 4 executive orders relating to coronavirus relief. So that included expanded unemployment benefits, a temporary payroll tax deferral, eviction protection, and student loan relief. So this is something that investors have been waiting for, to receive clarity on the next stage of the support plan. However, as always, these things never run perfectly smoothly, with investors grappling with an unclear timeline on stimulus proposals, with neither side giving, a firm date for discussions to restart. Tensions remain high around developments within the US-China discussions. Obviously, we know Trump ordered the owner of WeChat, Tencent, to sell the app by September, believing that its data collection is a threat to US security. And that builds on those discussions around ByteDance and TikTok. If anyone listening wants to learn more around that, wants to learn more around, the US-China relationship overall, please tune into our latest podcast. If we look forward over the rest of the week, the US stimulus plan will continue to dominate headlines. The protests in Lebanon will also be keenly watched, with the Lebanese public believing the political elite are incompetent and corrupt. The flow of earning reports actually isn't too frantic, so obviously you've seen a lot of companies reporting over the last few weeks, but what you're seeing now is the US earnings season pause for breath ahead of those big retailers' updates next week. There's still a good selection to watch out for from around the world though, and again, what is happening with the pandemic will be the overriding factor. Investors seeking greater insight into the health of the US consumer will receive 2 important data points on Friday. So you're going to see the retail sales report for July and the preliminary figures for the University of Michigan's Index of Consumer Sentiment for August. So what we had seen is that economic activity actually had begun to stabilize as US states and cities started to slowly emerge from coronavirus lockdowns. But what we've seen is the emergence of virus hotspots across the nation has forced many local officials to reverse their reopening plans. So if figures disappoint on Friday, this would add pressure on the Federal Reserve to act soon. Okay, so as always, lots going on within asset pricing overall and in the general economic environment. Thank you for listening, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you very much.